Hello dear students, I hope you all are safe at your places. Today we'll do the literature work, alright? So you're aware we are doing chapter number 3, the silver arrow, alright? We are finished with the reading, question answers and word meanings. Today we'll do the back exercise of this chapter and open your books, page number 28. So here about the passage. A part, understand and answer. Match the people to the words that can be used to describe them. Alright. So here we have two columns are given, A and B. We have to match the column A with the words written in column B. First of all, the heading, it says describe them. What is the meaning of describe? Describe means to talk about here in this exercise, to talk about their personality of the person, their behavior, alright, or whatever they are doing in the chapter. Okay? So see, first of all, we'll do in the same way we used to do the matchings. First of all, look at the words written in column B. Miserable, greedy, helpful, good, cruel, wicked and excited. So these all words, they are defining, they are describing a word which are given here in column A. Okay? So these all words were there in the story also. The first word, Robin Hood. Robin Hood is the name of the main hero of our story, right? So what was his personality like? कैसा था उसकी personality कैसी थी? So, can you guess any words from the column B which could define, which could describe the personality of Robin Hood? Robin Hood was helpful. हमने पढ़ा था ना, he used to help the poor people. So, Robin Hood, A, helpful. B part, spectators. There was a sentence in the story. The spectators were watching the contest. ठीक है? And they were very excited. So, we can use the excited word to describe the spectators. C, poor people. So, poor people. This word will get matched with miserable. Sheriff. Sheriff कैसा था? How was the character of the sheriff? Sheriff was good. यही पढ़ा था ना हमने स्टोरी में. Seriously हमने यही पढ़ा था. Sheriff was good? No. राइट क्या था शेरिफ? वो सभी को ट्रबल करता था ना, पुअर पीपल को परेशान करता था सब लोगों को. सो शेरिफ वॉज विकेड पर्सन. ई, शेरिफ गार्ड्स. कैसे थे शेरिफ के गार्ड्स? दे वर ग्रीडी. जब उनको रॉबिन हुड कहता है कि सिल्वर एरो को लेकर आओ, तो क्या होता है? वो सभी भागते जाते हैं ना. इट प्रूव दैट द शेरिफ गार्ड्स वर ग्रीडी. एफ, किंग. हाउ वॉज किंग? किंग के बारे में हार्डली देयर वर 2 or 3 सेंटेंसेस. एक में लिखा था किंग वॉज गुड, ही वेंट टू द वॉर, है ना. तो किंग वॉज अ गुड पर्सन. एंड द लास्ट वर्ड इज रिटन किंग्स ब्रदर. सो विच वर्ड कुड बी यूज टू डिस्क्राइब किंग्स ब्रदर? ही वॉज क्रूअल. ऑलराइट, वो सभी की पढ़ा था हमने, सभी की लैंड छीन लेता है. सो ही वॉज अ क्रूअल पर्सन. So now I'm here on page number 30 and the B part, it is about synonyms and antonyms. All right. In third class also we have talked about this. Synonyms means क्या होता है? Similar words, the words which have the same meanings, they are called synonyms. And antonyms, these are the opposite words. ठीक है, जिन words का मतलब क्या होता है? Opposite होता है, opposite होता है. They are called antonyms. So see, few sentences are written here. They are talking about the similar words first of all. ठीक है, synonyms की बात कर रहे हैं सबसे पहले. Robin was a kind man. Second sentence, he was gentle and helpful. Now these highlighted words, they have the same meanings. So ये हमारे similar words हैं. ठीक है. And here again one more sentence is written. The sheriff was cruel, harsh and unhelpful. Now these 3 words, they have the same meanings. These are the synonyms. We need to learn the same similar words. ठीक है, इन सबको हमें लर्न करना होता है टू नो अबाउट दैट व्हाट इज अ पर्टिकुलर synonym for a specific word. Now see, here kind is written. Kind का opposite क्या होता है? What is the antonym for kind? Cruel. All right. Gentle का harsh, helpful का unhelpful. So these are the opposite words. Here is a list given. Here that they are talking about how we can frame the opposite words by adding few specific words in the beginning and at the end as well. So see, first of all, by adding un at the beginning. Happy, unhappy. Happy means खुश और unhappy means something like sad, है ना? तो ये opposite बन गया ना. हमने क्या ऐड करा है? un वर्ड ऐड करा ना happy के आगे, तो एक न्यू वर्ड फ्रेम हुआ है. kind से unkind, tidy, untidy, lucky, unlucky. Second way they are talking about by adding dis at the beginning. ठीक है, we can add this word in the beginning also. Loyal, disloyal, obey, disobey, respect, disrespect, honest, dishonest. All right. And the third way by adding less at the end. ठीक है, less word अब end पे add कर सकते हैं. Careful, careless, harmful, harmless, thankful, thankless, painful, painless. Okay. Now it's not like we can use only these three ways to frame the opposite words. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हम यही 3 words ही use करेंगे. There are some other ways also. ठीक है, to frame the opposites. Sometimes there is a totally new word. यहाँ पे तो हमने frame किया ना un, dis या less लगा के एक नया word बन गया. But यहाँ पे हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Totally helpful. चलो यहाँ पे भी अन लग गया, अनहेल्पफुल बन गया. हमने पढ़ा था जेंटल, हार्श, एक न्यू वर्ड है. ठीक है, सो ऑपोजिट्स कुड बी अ न्यू वर्ड एज वेल. सो सी, underline the adjectives in these sentences. Write S if they are synonyms and write A if they are antonyms. Okay, one has been done for you. So first of all, what is adjective? Adjective होती क्या है? बताओ मुझे. The word which describe the quality of the noun. ठीक है, हमारे सेंटेंस में जो भी नाउन है उसकी क्वालिटी को जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, सो सी, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, देयर इज अ लॉन्ग रोड एंड अ शॉर्ट रोड टू द म्यूजियम. यहाँ पे देखो रोड की क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं ना कि वो शॉर्ट है और लॉन्ग है. सो दीज टू आर द एडजेक्टिव्स. ठीक है, सो आई हैव रिटन, ये एडजेक्टिव है और लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट दोनों ऑपोजिट है ना, सो आई हैव रिटन ए हियर. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, रॉबिन हुड वॉज लॉयल एंड फेथफुल टू द किंग. लॉयल एंड फेथफुल, दीज बोथ वर्ड्स हैव द सेम मीनिंग्स. तो ये क्या होंगे? ये वर्ड्स हमारे सिनोनिम्स. सो आई हैव रिटन एस फॉर दिस. सी, ठीक है, आई विल सेंड यू द सॉल्यूशंस आल्सो फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज. Next, he is well-known writer. The stories he has written are very famous. So here the adjectives are well-known and famous, and these words are the same words. इनका same meaning है ना? So I have written S for this. Next word, sentence, D part. She thought the watch was cheap, but it was very costly. So adjectives here are cheap and costly, and they are opposite words. So I have written A here. Next sentence, the people were sad, they were unhappy with the sheriff. Here sad and unhappy, these two words are the adjectives and they have the same meanings. So these words are the synonyms. I have written S for that. Last sentence, Isha's soft voice couldn't be heard over the loud honking of the cars. Soft and loud, these two words are totally opposite words. So antonyms है ये हमारे. I have written A for this. Okay. Now you go through this video and solve these 2 exercises. Rest of the work will continue in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.